All right, so here we have two networks. We're gonna see how the sniffer captures all the packets from a network. So here we have two computers and one sniffer connected to a hub, and the hub is connected to a router. And then the router has another network that we are gonna call network number one, and this is network number zero. All right, so to see how this sniffer is gonna capture all the packets, uh, PC number zero is gonna send a ping to the other computer. So we're gonna ping that IP address, which is 192.168.1.1. All right, so we received four packets. We sent four packets and we received four packets. That means we had a good connection between this computer and this other computer. If we take a look at the UI of the sniffer, here we can see the ARP signals and then the connections, the IP. So if we take a look at the ARP signals, we have the target IP address, which is this one right here, and then we don't have the MAC address yet. And then the source IP, which is our first computer or computer zero, and the source MAC of our computer. Then our second signal, uh, it's the same, and then on the third one, we actually receive information from this PC. Uh, so the target IP is gonna be our first computer, which is PC zero, and then we have the target MAC for the PC zero. That's only because this PC is sending a message to this PC that he received the ping that we just sent to him. All right. So, but here, whenever this PC is sending that message, we from this point now we can see the MAC source of this computer, which is this one right here. We have the source IP and the source MAC. Once we know the MAC, uh, the network is going to know that this IP address is connected to this MAC address. So any device, any node is able to send an ARP signal, but they will only send an ARP signal if we don't know the MAC address of the target IP that we are uh, that we are connecting to. And the ARP signal is only going to be sent within our same network. For example, here we have two networks. Um, Network number zero is connected to the router, and the router has two networks in it, right? So to prove that the ARP signal is not sending signals to other networks, we can take a look at the sniffer in the other network. If we take a look at the GUI, we see the buffer. The buffer has nothing in it. That means didn't receive any ARP signal from this other network. So that is proving that ARP is only gonna work within the same network that we are working with.